How to fix Spotify not showing in Instagram notes. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the notes option you see there and then tap on the music icon. Here you will see the link Spotify option. Tap on it and then in the pop-up that appears, tap on open. With this, Spotify will be connected to your Instagram and your playlist on Spotify will be shown here. But just in case if you do not have this option, then what you can do is go ahead and open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Instagram. Make sure the app is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update the app further. See if the issue was fixed or not, and if not, then you can try to completely delete the app from your device and then reinstall it again and see if that fixes your issue of Spotify not linking. If not, launch the settings application on your device and tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Here, scroll down and navigate to Instagram and tap on it and then go ahead and offload the app. Offload the app and reinstall the app again, and by now you should be able to link Spotify to Instagram notes. If not, then it might be because the link option is not available in your region yet. So simply wait for a few time and it will be available to you. So this is how you can fix Spotify not showing in Instagram notes. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.